Mr. Joe Smolenski is a wonderful part of our Link community.
One of the qualities that I love best about Joe is that he's looking for ways to serve and be helpful.
He really just goes above and beyond with every project that we give him.
Mr. Joe volunteers primarily in our kindergarten classrooms, and he does a whole number of things every week to support those students.
Mr. Joe will come in, he will help with greeting the students. Sometimes he even will go out and help with bus duty to kind of start his day. And then he will really kind of work with students either one-on-one or in a small group if needed.
There's a lot in the copy room. We actually put a nameplate with his name, Mr. Smolenski, on the copy room door because he spends a significant amount of time there, not only for our kindergarten staff, but for our other teachers as well.
And they also rely on Mr. Joe for lending an extra hand. The time-consuming, detail-oriented projects that would take so much of our time, where now we can spend teaching kids.
I've been here 12 or 13 years. I first started when my son was in kindergarten. I've had a pretty lucky life, and I had the opportunity to leave my job early. So I wanted to give back to the community and spend time with my son.
Mr. Joe is just such a great support, not only the kindergarten team, but the school as a whole.
He does like a lot of stuff for us. He just gets new centers for us, and he does artwork with us.
Every winter, he'll go home and cut boards for a snowman project.
He comes in, he measures every single kindergartner. He goes, he purchases the wood, he cuts it to their exact height. He sands it, he paints it. He helps the kids to paint their thumbs for the eyes, the nose, the mouth.
Mr. Joe helped me paint my snowman.
I don't think as teachers would be able to do this project all by ourselves with the kiddos, so we are so thankful for this. And the kids love it, the parents love it, and I think he truly enjoys it too.
I love the kids, especially when you deal with younger kids. They tell you what they feel. They're not playing games. If they think I'm old, they tell me I'm old. There's no hiding it, and I appreciate that.
Joe deserves this award because of the amount of time that he's spent volunteering with our students is significant. But beyond the quantity, it's the quality time that he's spent.
He truly goes above and beyond his duty as just volunteer. He's not just a volunteer that comes and makes copies or comes and helps with lunch duty. He's gone well beyond his timely duty of what a typical volunteer would do.
Another reason why he deserves the award is because he does everything with such care and detail, and he truly loves being here.
The recognition isn't why I'm here, but I do appreciate it. I didn't expect it. When they gave it to me here, I was surprised. I mean, it means something. It's just not something I expected and not something that was necessary.
Thank you, Mr. Joe, for always helping us. Well, just one more. Okay. He loves everyone in his classrooms. And that's it.